Meba. Mene the breadwinner artist be din komo. Wiz Tellem is my next guest. Wiz Tellem ewaha. Evening komo kaka. Let's get to know him. Champion mo akwa.
So Mr. Black.
Bibi aboko de. Wiz Tellem, Wiz Khalifa, Wiz Kid, Wiz Boy. Wiz Mtibebre. Obiya ne de oye.
Yeah.
Wiz Tellem. Who is Wiz Tellem?
Wiz Tellem, an artist from Ghana.
Okay.
I'm a basic Kumase.
Okay.
Yeah. Afro Trap.
Okay.
Afro Trap. Me motivate street, you know.
Okay. Why did you choose to be an Afro Trap artist? Why did you choose to even be a motivator of the street?
Yeah, I'm a street boy. I go through so many pains with street and so I'm only say to motivate my friends no more street and me find you more on with me.
Okay.
Yeah, artist. Yeah.
How long you here with
me professionally there me started I think say 2018 I started professional, but I'm recording somewhere 2015 or I'm started recording. Yeah.
Okay. Even though we are here, you did home commodity, but would you choose the path you chose?
Yeah.
Especially so what they find now so aim is to be a motivator of the street. You know? Would you think say a boa a gusu boa?
Yeah, baby, I born baby.
Okay.
Yeah, I born baby because me started and you say na me tina. Even I mean, me started a member radio station crowd about this time radio station, so that means say like
okay.
My progress. Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
From 2018 to see Dinkomo, has there been a break? Or it has been music. It
has been music, sir.
There's no way I fancy I go, off Kakra BBS na. I mean, them.
The only day I'm a call for Ebiana Koto, making Paluta artist. So,
okay.
Or mostly Yale or to. So
okay.
The only time I break here is Ben across any break here, still doing music. So yeah.
From 2018 to now, how many songs, how many EPs, how many albums to your credit?
Actually, me release the EP there, but I was singles with Bray.
Okay.
Yeah. Kobe 15. You talk about collaborations. Yeah.
Okay. You talked about being with another artist. Record deal being a sign. You are just part of the management, as on the management name, not as Wiz Tellem. And I said the brand, the Wiz Tellem, no, is under. Oh, the music sort here.
Yeah.
Practically, me asking you, say, are you under management or are you under record label?
Yeah. Okay. Officially, the main team can say. A record label because no I'm back out to make us say but maybe I will process say Opemsuo record label, but I'm part of him as a brother and an artist open to me on.
Okay.
Yeah, because we same street and I home almost say almost there's something in me, so it's what me banning. Yeah, okay. So I'm part of the team and I'm also an artist. Yeah.
Okay, I think I'm asking because of the other way, because you might be part of the team, which is different, and you as an artist, a different thing.
I'm part of the team as an artist.
Okay, not say you are part of the team, say we are the full.
Nah,
but you artist. Are there because you are an artist.
As an artist,
who will do your own song, but then you are being pushed by the management or whoever is being.
Yeah, management pushing me. Yeah.
Okay. Genre to music, not say a day. Or man a day.
Afro Trap.
Yeah. Is it the first of its kind? And I said there are people that
I'm not for you, but I say any war known, sir. I call say hip hop, say hip hop, emo rap, trap.
Yeah.
So we because Afro, I mean Africa, and Tibia trap, no. Let me put it in this way.
Wiz, my name how Buna me me panelist. Almost every week here the genre for
Yeah.
The hears are for the kind.
Yeah. So
and the other artists they came before. I told him say you can practically create a genre.
Yeah.
Push it becomes a genre.
Yeah. I think say because boys in the trap music though, but maybe I'm naming as Afro Trap, but I'm naming Afro Trap because trap music mostly more rap in English, right?
Yeah.
But I mean the battery, so be catching the meet Afro Trap. Yeah.
2018 down the line, what about Bisine? Is there a particular song? Is there a particular collaboration? And I say, DB potting will be a Obeka say, Wiz Tellem, we are my mom for whom you as a me wo dear, but as a particular project with as a mom for whom and I say you would say just as you said, over 15 singles out there, no, almost every single track that you bring puts you out there.
Yeah. track be I drop be my progress and somewhere 2019 me drop a mistake be Roddy Rich die young no me die rich and through that no me record deal me distribution deal with US for 1 year what distribute to me me feature all more artists so nice. And all them call me so many foreign fans and they so me enjoy so no US for almost be 10 my collaborations.
That's nice.
That's and nice. And 2021 coming Michelle Kimpaluta I will see say progress like
so
progress.
Particularly 2019 that mixtape will be because that single act in your life because it really brought you out.
Oh nah say every track we am drop piano if we am drop it and then me one me progress me calculating say like me numbers quite progress say maybe last year me 5 streams now this year me 10 my progress so not necessarily say me record deal or something but me record deals me distribution deal so
I don't know though but I'm not sure. So I started 2018 now you go to an interview with a camera person. Now you come with your camera person. It's also a progress. So
it's really, progress.
I get what you're saying. Basics. You move from a place to the other place. Also, how many songs to credit if you would say?
Like with me features there, let's say 15 or 20 something.
Okay. And Nina so on the genre of the Afro Trap, Afro vibe.
Yeah, me started now here hip hop Australia. Okay. Me come in na me so and then I have to. And I'm a fan so I say me blend the training in English because as a English in Ghana for I'm a about from the training for English. That's why I make I say Afro Trap.
Well, the next English go into that element different from the trio.
You say Ghana for a dream is like Ghana now English rap. Sorry, one is a Emfa.
As a baby now,
meanwhile, I'm see hip hop. I'm see no winning one mobile. Yes or no? Yeah. But me na Felisa because me na minya fans from outside because we out in case o 20 years come na ma ya feature. That means I'm doing something right. So me say all the means slang to say Jay-Z but me can't the boys going
what's it
say? Yeah. So me enjoy hip hop no crowd but right now I'm blended with
2025 how many songs am I releasing?
2025 day I think I'm release the first song because I was on tour so like but my recording will be.
Don't you think such a break or long period in an artist's life also Emma or follow maybe or margin feels at a point in time because we are in the 10th month artists not to compare though but artists be all catch us say in a year no the back say I feel fin on the back say be I feel be kwa we what the kind of back could be about around August September by December they know the bronya the nama obu ha sana ekono because of person din no say a hit that is the catalog. The whole 2025 this being your first song don't you think Ebema or profound listeners will be like why this thing back
in a way but me call break a crown I was learning you see biana my call break say my relax I was learning to bring new stuff or mutia me feel so and I think that me the new track we buy after me learning no track we was okay what's you there for real so
remember where this new track that you are here to talk about but as you said I've got an interest in how you even said it about with the rich mistake now with the track so if you could help me with a line or two so Kaya 2018 and as you said it's one particular idea you felt Jack what burn it all you've done your best people have got to know you better remember me a line or two
it goes
before
like,
we listen to Breadwinner.
It goes like when we broke boys who made a rich boy I'm praying for the day by myself a Rolls Royce when we broke boys who made a rich boy I'm praying for the day by myself a mansion Life is all about the trap, so keep on moving. Life is all about the trap, we keep on chasing. Life is all about the trap, we keep on hustling. Life is all about the trap, we keep on trapping. Yeah.
That's nice. I have in the studios Wiz Tellem. Here's a brand new one out, Breadwinner. Yeah, be different komo. DJ Kalisma, mami, a teaser be in it, money because Breadwinner, my natural say the meaning why that word. It's mama just a new hoka crebino. Na me money and can once a month and why the song title Breadwinner? What is the storyline behind Breadwinner?
Yeah, me a breadwinner. And I know say it has never be a breadwinner song. So, and a lot of people depend on me. Like, me I'm a real life story, but I can't amount for some amount because me trade tracker, me trade your man only say whatever I'm going through. No, somebody is going through the same story or similar story. Yeah, so me a breadwinner. Like I take care of me and some of the boys on the street now. Like,
have you already released this track?
Yeah, it's already last week.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or releasing, how has it been like? How has people been receiving it?
Yeah, it's been cool. I think me or one and something K streams, yeah, or audio marks, and our Spotify, so YouTube, so echo. Yeah.
Okay. I watched you do a video for it, and I say
yeah, she visualize about me and release it, but me what TikTok videos be bra. Me I want me TikTok page. People are loving.
You talk about YouTube. I said
yeah, YouTube. Yeah, me and release it. Visualize official visualize on about.
Okay. At least you have a content there.
Content out there.
I know, so cool.
Yeah.
Into Breadwinner, me ban into a conversation. So.
I'm still on the street with your farmer man. I'm still hustling with your farmer man. You know I can try me for me. Men I for me. No what for say that then I will be me. My shame mommy boss will not put in our training. Now that chimney come up the
Wiz also releasing it last week. The numbers have, as I already asked, how is it? Is it good? Do you see them moving on?
Yeah, it's good. Every day be like it's going up. So
also, when should see a visualizer? When should we expect a visualizer?
Let's say Friday.
Okay, yeah, wrap up the conversation.
Okay.
Breadwinner is out there. We releasing it last week. It's out on all the streaming platforms. So give it to me again. And here for Bill Benya, Breadwinner, streaming platforms and here for yeah, pa din ben ye de behere.
Everywhere Wiz Tellem, WIZTELLEM.
Okay, a boomer answer, would you leave a space in
space? Yeah.
Wiz Tellem, no, you leave a space.
Yeah. Baby, Apple Music, Spotify, Tidal, baby.
Okay, YouTube, and so you have the
YouTube,
same.
So yeah.
That being said, and then so no, visualize I said that being
Friday.
Nyambwa Friday,
yeah.
Okay, and then social media, Obi Pewa. Obi wants to follow your work aside, your streaming platform. So if anyone wants to follow your work and then see what you're doing as well, baby,
I always tell them social media, Facebook, TikTok, X, baby, I always tell them. Yeah.
Okay.
If you Google the crowd,
celebrating in the house. Celebrate. Do the Google work. The Google will do the magic.
Yeah.
Wiz Tellem, he has this one called Breadwinner is out on all the stream platform. You ranked to December. We now made the Aquana the back with best.
Oh, now I'm drop another track before.
Okay, before December. So far so good. Are there any events you are built on or and I say as
definitely,
the new song comes out, we'll get to know.
Definitely, yeah.
Okay. That's not a chat for Omo Nimu. Any Oma, this is the first time they are hearing you.
Okay.
What should they be expecting from you?
Okay. First of all, Mecha Otun for and also my fans in a stress for Putuja Fiase, Atonsu, Junior say like Bosom baby, yeah, Miss Live and Dobias and I'm keeping on supporting with Tellem, yeah.
Nice one.
And shout out to Kim Paluta, yeah, I'm on for, yeah.
Paluta background in the ouch that time no.
Ouch.
That time now more ouch. So Wiz Tellem, nice having you here. As a nice song, keep up the good work. Whenever there is a new track into my one, I will do our best and spin it around for you, so that people get to know you. So you go by the name Wiz Tellem. He calls this one Breadwinner. Out there on all the streaming platforms. About WIZ on my space TELLEM. Wiz Tellem, Breadwinner. Out on all the streaming platforms. Maybe for Hania to uncommon so.